Welcome all. Today we'll be learning about process state. In other words, we call it as a state transition diagram. Now first of all, we need to understand what is this process state. So here, state of a process is nothing but it is a part of the current activity of that process. So in this process states, there are 5 different states. They are as follows. The first one is new, the second one is running, the third one is waiting, the fourth one is ready, the fifth one is terminated. So this new state is nothing but when a process is created, this new state is invoked. Similarly, this running state signifies the instructions being executed. This waiting state represents process waiting for some event to occur, and this might be an input-output requirement. And the ready state signifies that the process is waiting to be assigned to a process. And this terminated state is represented as finished execution. So now what we have to do is we'll study the process state diagram. Initially, you'll be having a new state. From new state, whenever the process is created, all the process comes to the ready state or the ready state, and here it gets admitted. As soon as the new process is created, it gets admitted into this ready queue, or we call it as ready state. So from this ready state, a scheduler, what it does is it dispatches into the running state, and this we call it as scheduler dispatcher or scheduler dispatch. And if there is any interrupt, then again the control comes back to ready state. That is, if any interrupt happens, it can be a system interrupt. And in case if this running state does require any input output or any event, it goes to the waiting state. And after the completion of the input output or that event, it goes to the ready state. That is input output or event completion. So now once all the process gets executed, you come to the last phase, that is nothing but terminated. So this overall event we call it as diagram of process state. So this is the brief explanation about what is meant by process state. Thank you.